Amina As-Silmi was formerly known as Janice Huff. She was born in Oklahoma in 1945 to a Christian family. She was then also part of the American feminist movement. She was a Southern Baptist girl, a hardcore feminist, and a broadcast journalist. She was a girl with an unusual caliber, who excelled in school, received scholarships, ran her own business, and was competing with professionals and getting awards. All while she was going to college. Amina first met Muslims in college, and she was not very happy about it. She thought of them as poor, ignorant heathens, and felt compelled to save them from hell. In her quest to convert her Muslim colleagues, she began to do research about Islam. The Muslims gave her a copy of the Holy Quran, and she read several Islamic books afterwards, including books on hadith. She kept studying these books in the hope of finding a way to convince these Muslims to convert to Christianity. Luckily for her, God loved her, and after several months, she saw the light in Islam and became a Muslim. She took her shahada.